I realize so many people can't count the number of friends they have, and when you ask, they say things like, I can't help it, I'm so sure, I just love people. It's not bad to have so many friends, but can I ask you a very serious question right now? Of what importance are you to your many friends? I mean, what do you bring to the table? And when I'm talking of relationships, I'm talking of within your circle, other than gossip and outings and buying gifts and spending money. What else do you contribute to grow such a relationship? Once upon a time in my life, I used to think that I wasn't doing enough for the few friends I had because I measured my value to them based on material things like sending money, buying gifts, going out, and all that. That is until I received sense. Now, don't get me wrong, those things are also important, right? They're not that bad. But aside all that, what other thing do you have to offer? Do you have something that they'll find so hard to replicate in someone else? Can your friends depend on your prayers to heal or deliver them when needed? Can it depend on godly counsel from you to guide them? Can they depend on your discerning spirit to save them from impending wahala? Can they depend on your support towards their vision and their purpose? In this new year, don't just check your association, check yourself too. Because before you brag about being of value to someone, you have to be valuable to yourself. Proverbs chapter 13 verse 20 says that he that walketh with wise men shall be wise, but a companion of fools shall be destroyed. Simply put, a wise person can never be found amongst the foolish, and a wise person always has value to offer. And remember, if your circle isn't growing, you won't grow. And when you don't grow, you lose value. And when you lose value, you become forgotten. I do hope this makes sense. This is what it is. I do have a lovely weekend. God bless you.